For homeowners in Milton, creating a safe and secure home is always a top priority. While most people think of locks, alarms, and cameras when it comes to protection, one often overlooked aspect of home security is the quality of your windows. Outdated or damaged windows can make your home more vulnerable to break-ins, drafts, and even storm damage. Fortunately, modern window replacement offers advanced technology and materials that strengthen your home's defenses while improving energy efficiency and curb appeal. Here's how advanced window replacement can help enhance home security for your Milton property, and why it's one of the smartest investments you can make. Stronger glass that stands up to impact. One of the biggest improvements in modern window design is the use of impact-resistant glass. Unlike traditional single-pane glass, which can shatter easily, impact-resistant windows are constructed with laminated glass, two panes bonded together with a durable interlayer. This design keeps the glass intact even if it cracks, making it much harder for intruders to break through. It also protects your home from accidental impacts, such as a stray baseball or debris during a storm. For Milton homeowners, this added protection is especially valuable during severe weather events or when you're away from home for extended periods. Your windows become both a visual upgrade and a security barrier that helps keep your family safe. Advanced locking systems for peace of mind. A window is only as secure as its locking mechanism. Older windows often have basic latches that can be forced open with minimal effort. In contrast, modern replacement windows come with multi-point or reinforced locks that secure the window sash at several points along the frame. Some models even feature keyed locks or integrated sensors that connect to your home's security system, instantly alerting you if a window is opened unexpectedly. These locking systems are designed to deter intruders while still providing smooth, easy operation for homeowners. It's an ideal balance of safety and convenience that brings peace of mind without compromising everyday functionality. Durable frames that resist tampering. In addition to stronger glass and locks, advanced replacement windows feature high-quality frames made from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or composite. These materials are not only energy efficient and low maintenance but also highly resistant to warping, rotting, or corrosion. Unlike older wood or aluminum frames, these modern materials can't easily be pried open or weakened by weather damage. When installed by professionals, the frames fit securely into the wall structure, creating a tight seal that deters forced entry and prevents air leaks. In Milton's variable New England climate, this durability also ensures your windows stay strong and functional year after year, no matter the season. Added security without sacrificing style. Today's homeowners don't have to choose between security and aesthetics. Advanced replacement windows come in a wide variety of styles, from classic double-hung designs to sleek casement and picture windows, all engineered with built-in protection features. You can customize frame colors, finishes, and grid patterns to match your home's architecture while still enjoying the security benefits of modern materials and construction. Whether your Milton home features historic charm or a modern design, you can enhance both safety and beauty with windows that complement your style and deliver long-lasting protection. Professional installation makes all the difference. Even the most advanced window technology won't perform as intended without expert installation. Professional installers ensure that your windows are fitted precisely, sealed properly, and reinforced according to manufacturer specifications. Poor installation can leave gaps or weak points that reduce security and energy efficiency. By working with local Milton window experts, you can be confident that your new windows will perform to their full potential, protecting your home against both intruders and the elements. Professional installation also ensures compliance with local building codes, a must for homeowners looking to maintain their property value and safety standards. Energy efficiency and safety in one upgrade. While enhanced security is a major benefit, modern replacement windows also improve your home's energy efficiency. Features like double-pane insulation, low E coatings, and airtight seals help keep your indoor temperature stable year-round. This dual benefit means you'll enjoy a safer, more comfortable, and more cost-efficient home, all from one investment. Final thoughts. For Milton homeowners, upgrading to advanced replacement windows offers much more than a visual improvement. It's a smart way to enhance both home security and comfort. With impact-resistant glass, secure locking systems, and durable materials, today's windows are designed to protect what matters most. Pair that with professional installation from trusted local experts, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your home is well protected in every season. Invest in modern window replacement today and enjoy the perfect blend of security, style, and energy efficiency, built to stand the test of time in your Milton home.